When building your custom luxury home, it's important to avoid doing the following things. To start off, when doing your budget, don't forget to factor in costs sometimes missed like property taxes, homeowners association fees, interest carry costs, and utilities when calculating the total cost of your home. Don't select a less desirable location for your home because it will save you money. A poor location will always be a poor location, and you might live to regret it if you make this mistake. A luxurious home in a less desirable location will surely negatively impact the resale value or make it harder to sell. Don't miss the important step of doing your due diligence on the property. It starts with getting a good title commitment that notes all the restrictions on the property along with all the utility easements that could limit your ability to build on the property. This title commitment needs to be given to the survey company to ensure that all the restrictions and the easements are clearly shown on the survey. And don't make the mistake of trying to save money by using the existing survey of the property. You must get your own survey conducted by a qualified survey company. You've heard the term, you get what you pay for. This is not an area to save money. Ask around for a good survey company and find one that charges more money. Better survey companies typically charge more money because they do a better job of checking the pin locations and looking up important information that can affect the value of your property. And you want to stay away from the survey companies recommended by the title company. These companies are typically survey factories churning out low quality work that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars if you get something wrong. Don't have your home built without hiring a home inspector. A home inspector can identify potential problems and ensure the construction is up to code. They will find things that you don't see that you can have corrected before it's too late and becomes a problem at the end of the project. And don't let your builder talk you out of this. As someone who has built over 80 custom homes, it's always good to have more eyes on the construction, making sure items aren't missed. And as a custom builder, I would rather have an error caught early, during construction, than have it cause a problem later that turns into a warranty issue that's inconvenient for you, the owner, and much more costly for me, the builder. Don't trust the builder's warranty is just like everyone else's. Read the fine print and understand exactly what is covered and for how long. You may also want to check with the manufacturers of the expensive equipment, like your AC systems or your appliances, to see if they offer any type of extended warranties. I'm not typically a fan of extended warranties, but I know the manufacturer Lennox offers free extended warranties when the homeowner fills out additional information with them. So be sure to look into this. It could save you thousands of dollars in repairs over the long haul. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help you avoid these mistakes. If you have suggestions or would like to suggest new videos for us to produce, please leave them in the comments. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to us if you'd like to get more of this great content. Lastly, if you're interested in building a custom home in Houston, Texas, please reach out to us through our website at www.aspirefinehomes.com.